In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to match multiple invoices when one payment is received in QuickBooks. If a customer sends one payment to cover several open invoices, QuickBooks makes it fairly simple to record that correctly. The key is to apply that single payment to all the related invoices, and then make sure it matches properly in your bank feed afterward. This helps keep your accounts receivable accurate and makes bank reconciliation much smoother. To begin, click the plus icon at the top left of QuickBooks. This is where you can quickly create new transactions. From there, select Receive Payment. This opens the payment window where you'll record the customer's payment against their unpaid invoices. Next, choose the customer name from the drop-down menu. As soon as you select the correct customer, QuickBooks will automatically display their outstanding invoices. You'll then check the boxes next to all of the invoices that are being covered by this one payment. This is the most important part, because it tells QuickBooks exactly which invoices should be marked as paid, either fully or according to the amount received. Now make sure the amount received field reflects the total combined amount of the payment. In other words, the amount entered here should match the full sum the customer actually paid across all selected invoices. It's a good idea to quickly review the selected invoices and confirm the totals line up before saving. That small check can help prevent mismatches later in your books or in the bank feed. Then set the deposit to account correctly. If the payment was deposited directly into your checking or savings account, choose that account here. If you're collecting this payment along with other payments and plan to combine them into one bank deposit later, choose Undeposited Funds instead. This step matters because it affects how the transaction appears when you go to match it in your bank activity. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. At this point, the payment has been recorded and applied to the selected invoices. After that, go to your bank feed and match the payment to the bank transaction. If the payment was entered correctly and the deposit account was chosen properly, QuickBooks should make the match easy to identify. This final match ensures the payment in your books lines up with the actual money received by the bank. And that's all. By recording one payment across multiple invoices this way, you keep your customer balances accurate and your bookkeeping clean inside QuickBooks.